Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store, and here into the search pool we should enter green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. So now we just should open the app, click here switch input methods and switch our currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's just go, for example, here into the search pool, and we can see the look of our new device keyboard, and this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.